Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on ARK Innovations, ticker ARKK. So we can see that looking on the 4 hour and the daily, we're coming into this kind of 5150 area, which is the first deviation on the 4 hour and will most likely be a kind of a heavy resistance for ARK to break through. So really this is what we're looking for on ARK. Because this level will kind of tell us where ARK is going in the next few days and or weeks. So really, as we come and test this 5150, if we're able to break through to 52, 52.50 or whatever it is, and break over this level, come back and retest this 5150, and as long as buying pressure comes in and we start seeing it push back up, then this level is kind of being confirmed and we could expect a push to that next deviation, which in this case is around $60 or so dollars. $60.50. So that does provide quite a decent amount of upside, especially on an ETF like ARK, and that would kind of be the main target. However, if we come into this 5150, we kind of just sell off. We might even come and try and test it again, but again, selling pressure is stronger than the buying pressure. Then we would expect it to kind of just either stay in this area or generally push down, but this will probably rely more on the overall market. If the overall market gets weak, then we could expect to push down. And what would be our targets if the markets do start to push down? So we could see it pushing down to around $45, and that would kind of be the first level of support that we look at, because that is the half deviation on the daily. And then we could see another support level around $41, as that again is a half deviation but on the 4 hour. However, the main levels that we'll be looking at on the downside, at least on ARK, will be closer to around $30, because this is below, well, would be its 52-week low, and it is also the statistical mean on both the 4 hour and the daily. So really, buying pressure coming into this level should be quite strong. We would expect a bounce. However, if ARK continues up, what are going to be our further away targets? So obviously we're coming into this 5150 now. That's going to be our first resistance. Then we're coming into $60, and we can actually update that so it's a bit clearer. But coming into the $60, that will be our next resistance. And then we're going to have another resistance at $73, $90, $95, and then a kind of final key one at 120, and then we're going to have some smaller targets at around 116 and 151. However, these ones are quite far away, and so they may not be realistic, at least looking in the near future. So really our key focus would be kind of between the levels of $30 and $73, because these are a bit more achievable looking at kind of a month or two time frame. So that is the main breakdown on ARK. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace. And maybe I'm crazy.